Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 25th of July and we're going to be looking at EOS trading against Bitcoin now over 4-hour candles. It's been getting a lot of attention this morning. EOS was up 5% against the US dollar and 3.3% up against BTC the last time I checked today. So pretty impressive. I mean, a lot of altcoins have been suffering. All the money has been driven towards BTC. That's had this really nice hike. We saw it hit above $8,000 yesterday. It's continued to climb now over $8,100, so it's looking pretty good. So for EOS to come back and actually gain on BTC is impressive. And if we look right now, we can see a few promising signs. I think EOS has now found the bottom. We can see it's been falling inside this big falling wedge pattern now for a good few months, actually since the start of May, and now it's just hit this 0.236 fib level and it's starting to push up again. I mean, you can tell throughout the history it has started to push back along these fib levels, particularly on the 0.382 here, but it has been dropping. But I think now it's been consolidating well, and I think this is it now, pushing on. If we look, if we close off these EMAs, we can see on the parabolic side in particular, we've actually got some candles, some dots appearing beneath now, which is signaling a reversal trend. As you can see, falling dots mean a falling price action, and when it switches to the bottom and starts pushing up, you can see it usually indicates an uptrend. So looking pretty good from that. And we can also see volume is starting to pick up as well. I'll zoom out a little bit to make it easy to see. You can actually see volume on this general indicator is actually pushing up with lower lows here. So that's promising as well. And I think if you compare this to VeChain's graph lately, you can see a very strong similarity here. So this is VeChain below over one-day candles. And you can see it fell in a very similar falling wedge pattern. Hit the bottom, the 1 Fibonacci level, and then started pushing back up again. And you can see it followed this almost mirror image of itself, pushed back up, and then eventually it fell through a support, which acted as a strong resistance and has been falling since. But this general pattern, I think, is what's happening with EOS right now. It's looking pretty good. If you look at the RSI and the MACD indicators below, you can see there has been a general uptrending pattern in momentum, particularly now, as you can see. So EOS fell just outside of the... let me close off that. Fell just below this 0.236, but if you actually zoom in on the RSI, you can see there was a brief oversold moment. So I'd stick pretty strongly to this 0.236 as a strong support. And now it's looking to push up, so you can see lower lows here, climbing to the channel. It's looking to take on now the upper quartile of the channel, and MACD is improving as well, and you can see the blue fast moving average is taking over. We've got buying candles above the signal line, so it's looking like it wants to head over there. And I think what will happen now is I think we'll get this surge of momentum now. I think it will be able to break through the 0.382, and I think it will find its first strong resistance in 0.5 here, and this has been a key channel in the past. I think from there then it will drop down to 0.382 as a support. And we'll be looking at that, guys, in the TA in a bit more detail. So please check out the link in the description, head over to CryptoVest.com, and please like and subscribe this video, guys. Thank you.